Recently I watched a short where a guy placed TNT with a cobweb on top. It was stacked with a lot of concrete powder, and when he set it off, it created a wild rainbow explosion with blocks going everywhere. One of the comments said it was a mod, so I'm going to test this in vanilla Minecraft to see if it's actually real. First, I'm gonna create a world, and once I spawned in, I'm gonna type on this command to locate a village. Okay, I found a village. Now I'm gonna place the TNT, now the cobweb. Subscribe if you think this is gonna work, like if not. Okay, now it's gonna break the block, and now I just gotta light it up. Hopefully this works. This is fake.